Hi everyone, this is Eve Gassman and I'll give you a guided tour navigating through our Canvas MAT0028 Developmental Math 2 course. Our course is completely in Canvas and all our assignments will be submitted within Canvas. On our homepage, you'll see buttons with links for the orientation module as well as each of the week 1 through 8 modules. We'll go ahead now and click on the orientation module button. And we'll go through all the information in the orientation. You'll see there's a start here, there's meet your instructor, and I'll leave it up to you to click on these. Let's review the syllabus, a course overview and schedule, course policies, course communications, textbook and required materials, but no worries, our textbook is free online. The technology requirements and skills, how to submit your assignments in Canvas, support services, tips for online success, and a help form for posting questions. Many of these pages include important links to resources to support you, including everything we just went over. You'll notice also that there are 2 assignments here. There are 2 required academic attendance activities. One is the orientation syllabus scavenger hunt quiz, and the other is an introduce yourself to the class discussion. Once these are both completed, the entire course will be available to you. The next module is the lab resources that explains the mandatory lab component of our course, and a really handy prerequisite skill module that's optional to give you some review material of skills you should know before starting our course. Next, we'll go on to the week 1 module. Make sure you read each of these awesome overviews at the beginning of the weekly modules. Notice that each module contains free OpenStax textbook sections, instructional videos, and homework assignments. Our course also contains 2 weekly lab assignments located towards the bottom, and discussions, quizzes, or tests. Now let's explore the Canvas navigation bar on the left. So I'm going to go back up to the top. The home button brings you back to our home page where we started. The syllabus, if you click, you'll find the syllabus. You can download a copy by clicking on the syllabus link, or you can click on the hourglass to be able to read it on the screen. And the course summary below of assignments and dates you can use as a task list to help keep you organized. Tells you when everything is due. And just because something is due on Friday or Saturday or Sunday doesn't mean we should wait till the weekend. We should be doing homework and assignments all week long. These are just the latest dates they must be turned in by. Below modules, you'll see discussions, or you'll see modules rather. You'll also be able to go between pages within the modules by clicking on the next button on the right. Discussions, you'll click here to access discussion assignments directly. People, click here to see a listing of your course classmates and coaches. And the oh so important grades. This is where you'll find your grades in our course gradebook. And lastly, you'll see a student feedback on instruction. We value your opinion, so click here to obtain a student feedback on instruction survey towards the end of our course. I hope this video helps you navigate through our Canvas course. Never hesitate to reach out to me with any questions. You got this.